Okay, I hope this works because I've never streamed on. Oh, what the hell? I've never streamed on here before. I'm in a hotel in Thailand, and yeah, looks like it's going well. Let's have a look. Do we get 2K resolution? We low-key do. Doesn't look like it's lagging either. Okay, excellent. That's really good. How do I get chat? That's another question. Nice, Dito. Good to have you on board, Dito. So yeah, thanks to everyone who joined the Discord. We have this Google Gemini challenge. I guess I'll put it here now. It's kind of important. And yeah, let's go through and give like a little update of what everyone said, and then we'll start planning on my project idea. So we got the regulars on Discord, Kai, Flash Webby, and Brutal Strike, discussing some ideas about augmented reality, because that is a specific topic. Brutal Strike, thank you. Yeah, I just got this haircut today. Yeah, augmented reality. I thought that would be pretty cool. Kai said, do you remember Nintendogs? I think they posted a picture of Nintendogs, yeah, here. And I was like, oh, yeah, AR Nintendogs would be pretty cool. But I just I always get distracted by new and flashy things, and I figure if I just work on something what I think is probably a bit more valuable in the long term, I'd have more success. So pretty much I've decided to continue work on my Chrome extension Clicklist cage, and just integrate that with Gemini. Now, damn, did I close my other Chrome tab? No, it's here. Hold on, let me bring this over here. Okay. So this is, wait, that's port key. I'll get to that in a sec. So Clicklist Cage is open source, and it's a Chrome extension that lets you browse the internet. It's very similar to Multion, except they are a much more mature startup that have been working on this a lot. I haven't touched this in a month, and it's pretty much just me working on it. Yo, why so nerdy? Because this is the channel, we love being nerdy here. Who are these mods? I only have one admin on Discord, Brutal Strike, but I made these legends, and they are just people who have submitted really useful posts and replies and just engage with the community over months. Yeah. Ethan, hello. Good to see you as well. And Dito just joined. They seem like they're very keen to help out in the hackathon, so that's really exciting. So let me try to find a video of Clicklist Cage. I should probably put that on the. So I've streamed a lot of the development of it, of course, over, I don't know, probably 10 hours of streamed development. Okay, this is a kind of short form video of it. Oh, I can't hear. Hold on, let me try to fix the output. See if that works. It's gonna click the create button, hopefully. Yep. It's gonna click the event drop down. What should my extension do? This is what it looks like. I like to tell it to make an event in my Google Calendar on Friday at 12 p.m. labeled Hello World. Look, it navigates to Google Calendar. It's gonna click the create button, hopefully. Yep. It's going to click the event drop down and it's typing Hello World. Now it doesn't actually save the event a lot of the time, unfortunately. There's still a lot of bugs, but that's so that's pretty much a demo. I've changed a lot since then, and I don't even know if this example works anymore. But I do want to embed this demo in the GitHub. Oh, we're getting all the subs from YouTube. Thank you everyone who subbed. Clicklist, Cage, YouTube Shorts, take friend. Let me try just find the YouTube Shorts link. Oh, I don't know if it's on YouTube Shorts. Yo, Bob James, good to see you. Uzumaki wants to be an admin. Why? Like, we don't even need an admin. Adarsh, yo, because like, we hardly ever get any messages we need to block or people we need to kick, luckily. But in the future, maybe we'll need more admins and mods, but we don't really even need one. But you can become a legend. You just have to, you know, provide interesting content, reply to people that need help and stuff like that. All right, I just wanted to see if this video was on my YouTube. Damn, none of these are shorts. Oh, here we go, perfect.
What should my extension do?
And how do we embed YouTube in Markdown? Is that possible? In GitHub README. Maybe it's not possible. It's been a long time. What are we up to? If you saw my last TikTok, Adarsh, it's on YouTube, on Instagram as well, on Google Gemini, they've released okay, you can't embed the video. They've released a kind of competition where you can win up to $1 million in prizes, and I want to submit Clicklist Cage, so we're just going to change it so it uses Google Gemini API and make it a whole lot better, hopefully. So let's go demo, and I think oh man. If I submit an app to the competition and I win, do they own the app and code? No, they don't own the code, but they can use the code, like their own version of it. But you still own all your IP. Someone posted the rules in my Discord. And I think they only can use it if you win. Fuck, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, find that huge. Man, I can't believe I lost it.
What should my extension?
Oh man. Actually, I should just watch a demo here. Maybe like that. Can we preview? Yes. Okay, that did not work. Probably because of that. Preview. Yes, there we go. Wait. This is how to. Oh shit. How do you just put a link without an image? Oh, like this? I'm so confused. I think I messed that up. Okay, whatever. We'll just leave it. Oh, that doesn't even work. Demo. Wait, hyperlink markdown. Okay, that's really easy. Demo on YouTube. Okay, boom. Is the Gemini API paid? Yes, unfortunately. Okay, sweet. Let's have a look at the pricing. I hope they have a free tier. They might. Oh, you can do 15 requests a minute for free. That's pretty good. Oh, that's Gemini Flash though. If you want to play the Pro, the Pro is also free for 2 requests per minute. Let me tell someone in Discord they asked about that. It was Shinkami. Up to 15 requests per minute, free with Flash, 2 RPM with 1.5 Pro. Got a UX designer in the chat. Let's go. Okay. What are we saying? Yo, Kanapa, what's up? Can you Golang? No, I actually haven't even never done any Golang. Like she says, every time I look at code, I have this intense mental breakdown. Oh. What's my LinkedIn? I think you can search TechFriend. TechFriend, LinkedIn. Yeah, that one, Arastu Bandy. My handle is just TechFriend on LinkedIn as well. All right. Brutal Strike says, I want Clicklist to read Discord and do actions like replying back. I think theoretically it could do that. Realistically, maybe not. Nathan's, yeah, I already read Nathan's message. Sorry, I missed yours before Brutal Strike. What are we building? Yo, Lokesh, what's up? You posted my stream to the Google Developers Discord. Oh shit, okay. Hello, if anyone joined from there. Thank you. Thanks, Brutal Strike. I guess we'll show some of the useful links that Brutal Strike posted. So we did post their discussion forum here. I might pin this. Thanks, Brutal Strike. So there's a discussion forum. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like the actual people from Google are replying to this much, if at all. But yeah, there's some discussions, and there's some people that are replying that are really helpful. But it's more questions and answers, which is kind of typical of any kind of development thing. What else have people posted? Gorilla posted like a ChatGPT discussion with like questions and answers of like ideas to make, sorry. Oh, what's his name? I don't have streamer mode on, but I don't know. What's the point of streamer mode? So you don't dox people? It's weird. And I also posted the judging criteria. So you're judged on impact, remarkability, creativity, usefulness, and execution. So pretty much like how amazing and unique is your app, and how useful is it, and how well did you do it. Okay, so one thing that I want to do, I don't want to just implement Google Gemini API straight up. I want to implement it with this thing called Gateway by Portkey. So Portkey Gateway is really cool. You still use the OpenAI SDK, but you just change your base URL to their base URL, and then you can use any model you want. Claude, Mistral, Google, Gemini, GPT-4, whatever. And not only that, they also have like load balancing, automatic retries, fallbacks, just all these great features to make your LLM app more robust. You can run it locally, run it yourself, or have their run version. And they can also help you set up an enterprise on-prem, which we won't need to get into. But yeah, I think that is super cool. Obviously, they support Google Gemini, and hopefully it works really well. Looks like they have their own SDK as well, but I'm hoping we can just use the OpenAI SDK. So this stream, what I'm pretty much going to mainly do is just plan. Like I won't go into actually, what Won't go into actually implementing much code, but yeah, let me just reiterate on the first decision of using Gateway, because we can route to any LLM we want. You can also have in the future fallbacks. If one LLM provider fails, it can try another one, completely different one. Automatic retries. I don't know if it still happens, but you know, occasionally you'd get a failed try at calling an LLM with OpenAI. So if you didn't retry, you just like break the app. But with automatic retries, that solves that. Load balancing. You can distribute your load across multiple API keys, because sometimes your API key is limited, rate limited. So you can load balance that way, or maybe between different LLM providers even. So that's really cool. So yeah, so that's definitely one thing that I will be looking at adding into the plan. Let's read chat. Brutal Strike says, if it's not using mutation observer, how can it detect new messages? Yeah, good point. It could refresh itself. Or yeah, just keep periodically checking. But yeah, mutation observers is probably a very good way to do it, as it will only execute once something has changed. Yo, Dido, good to have you. What have you missed? Not much. We just went over everything that was posted in the Discord. I kind of showed off the demo of Clicklist Cage. I'll do it again here. And I talked about
This is what it looks like. I like
Gateway by Portkey. I hope you saw that one.
My Google Calendar on Friday at
This is the demo of Clicklist.
What should my extension do? This is what it looks like. I like to tell it to make an event in my Google Calendar on Friday at 12 p.m. labeled Hello World. Look, it navigates to Google Calendar. It's going to click the create button, hopefully. Yep. It's going to click the event drop down and it's typing Hello World. Now, it doesn't actually save the event a lot of the time, unfortunately. There's still a lot of bugs, but that's pretty much should give you an idea of what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make a Chrome extension that you can just type what you want to do and it'll do it for you. And this is all open source. You guys can see it on my GitHub, aj47/clicklistcage.
Yep, so that's it. And I think that's a good place to start, is just on the GitHub. We'll make the issues there, I guess. Yeah, so I guess we'll have a feature flag. Like this, feature. Is that how they do it? I guess you could also have a label. Feature request. Feature request. Oh, enhancement. Okay, I guess. Enhancement. Yeah, and I think we'll create issues here so people can just jump on and collaborate should they want to. SSF says, what language are you using? This is written mostly in JavaScript, as that is the language of the web. Obviously, TypeScript is probably a more secure language, but I've just been preferring JavaScript. Am I still looking to collaborate? Yes, I am. If you're interested in Clicklist Cage, that is the idea I have gone with. You can definitely collaborate here. I'm going to fill out the issues. Otherwise, there's a whole bunch of other people in the Discord, in this channel, maybe working on some other projects, and you can put your hand up there. Like here, we got Confused. They're a Python dev looking for a teammate. Just DM him. Yo, Luna, what's up, man? Or woman, sorry. Does this use any type of APIs? Yeah, so Dido, Clicklist Cage uses the OpenAI SDK, but I've just been testing it with local language models lately. But today, we might, no, actually, I won't try implement it, but srcutils.js is the folder, the file we're looking for. But yeah, like obviously we need to change it so it uses Gemini if we want to be yeah. So I just use the base URL. I have like a local hosted LLM on this, and it works okay with locally hosted LLMs. Like it's not too bad. There are much smarter LLMs on the field. Yeah, for sure. I started this with GPT-4, and GPT-4 worked the best with this. but for the Google Gemini competition, we're forced to use Google Gemini, so just keep that in mind. Is this free? Yeah, my extension's free, but it's not like noob friendly at the moment. Like it doesn't work out of the box. You need to be hosting a local LLM or change it so it hits GPT-4, which is only like 2 lines of code changed, but you have to build it yourself, and it's kind of, at this stage, it's not ready for the public, obviously, but it is free. It's all open source and free. Luna says, I saw Big AGI's dev for a ping. I am more than willing to help with local-based LLMs, but would love to add to this tool to the subsystem. Oh, Luna, of course. Sorry, I just realized you're Luna that made the Carly bot. Nice. Yeah, definitely. Let's keep chatting. Okay. So I think this stream, as I said, it's just mostly planning for me, and it was a test stream to see if I can even stream on this setup, and it seems like it's going really well. No one's complained about the quality, so that's really good. Happy with that. But then probably tomorrow we might actually do some actual coding. Yeah. Oh, that would be sick. Is it possible for you to have... So Luna has made, I'll show people this. Luna has made, I'm not even going to be able to explain it very well, but this Discord bot, but it's more than just a chat bot. Like, it does stuff. Tell me, Luna, what should I ask it to do? This is on the Big AGI Discord, by the way. Tell me, give me a good like sample prompt that I can ask Carly to do, just to show off like its capabilities. What is the Discord name? This one is Big AGI. So I think you find it if you just Google Big AGI. This is their project that I've showed before on my stream, and their Discord is probably here somewhere. Control F, Discord. Yeah, there you go, down the bottom. Send hi to stream. Hi to stream, everyone. But can it go on my stream? Can you chat? I doubt it, because it needs to be logged in. On the stream on Twitch TV/TechFriend. Probably can't, right? There you go, Dito sent the link in the Discord, but I think the person who asked is actually on TikTok. My coach here says, what software are you using to stream? I'm using Streamlabs now. Can't chat on chat streams. Okay. But like Enrico says it can like update Docker or something. I don't know how it works exactly, but pretty cool stuff. Okay. So I'm gonna make a new issue here. This is probably the most important one for the Google Gemini. Implement gateway as the LLM provider. This will let us use Gemini or any other model in a scalable way essential for the competition. So since this is essential, this is probably a ticket that I'll pick up. But yeah. Feature request. Maybe I should just call that feature since the other one was feature. Okay, and give that the enhancement tag. I'll text you Luna on Discord to discuss the local LLM in a bit. No problem. Okay. Let me see what other things I have, because I know people want to help out. Someone said UX designer. I wonder if that guy will actually do some UX design. What does the application do? Oh, I've missed that message from him. Check out the demo in this README. Add a little bit more tasks for the front end, yeah, for sure. So I think I have a notion of of like tasks I wanted to add. Let me try to find it. I didn't. Did I not have tasks? Clicklist cage. Okay, looks like I didn't. There's definitely a lot of things. I need to get it to a state. It's like not really in a state where people can use it easily. I'll probably, one thing I'm going to do is make the main branch use GPT 3.5 so people can just run it easily. I might do that now. That shouldn't take me too long. And then we'll brainstorm more things for it. Because at the moment, I think even the clicking doesn't work. Because I changed a lot. Yeah, let's just get a rundown of where we're at with it, because I can't even remember. Okay. Yo, Nathan, what's up? Why isn't my shell responsive, bro? Okay. Wow, what branch am I on? Probably have some. Nope. Git checkout main. Oh. Branches behind. Git pull. What happened when I tried to git pull? What the fuck? Please specify which branch. Git branch. Main. Oh, I am on main. Git pull. Okay. Let's open this in. Should we use cursor? Let's use cursor. Cursor, file, open. Clicklist cage. Yo, what was that? Oh, Dito, thanks for the follow. Is Gemini 1.0 good? I don't think so. I just... Oh, shit. Hey! Dito, you're my first sub. Thank you so much. That's awesome. No, don't use 1.0 Nathan. Use 1.5 Flash. I'm pretty sure that's cheap. It has a free tier as well. I just found out. Yeah, you can use 1.5 Flash for free for like 15 requests per minute. Or something like that. Oh, on the API, that is. I'm not sure about the actual chat interface. Okay, so to run this, I think we just go yarn dev after we do the yarn install. Actually, we need to be in this repository. And that runs the thing. And then to load it, you need to load it here. I have all this in the descriptions, right? installing npm install. You need to be running a local model or change the API config. Okay, I have that. Instructions here. Developing cd Clicklist cage npm run dev. Yeah, Chrome browser to developer mode, load unpacked, and then load the thing. So you go extensions, load unpacked, find the build folder here. Select that, and that should have Clicklist cage here. Yay, we got it. Okay, so I think I'm going to make the main branch just use OpenAI GPT 4.0. So let's make an API key. Let me auth up here. You only use Gemini. Nice. That's good. Maybe I should just do the port key thing now. What's the time? 6:01. Oh, I think it'll take me too long. I'm gonna just use, yeah, we'll just make the GPT-3 thing. So in utils is where I specify the OpenAI API key. So we're going to import open meta this and comment that out. And I think if I go .env, I'll have my API key in there. Let me check. I do have an API key in there. I don't know if it's outdated or not. Let's see. See if this works. Where's Chrome? Oh, it's there. Oh, my Chrome made it refresh. That's silly. Alright, I'll see if this works. Go to YouTube. I might have redacted that API key. Yeah, incorrect API key. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a new API key. That's fine. What? Oh, those are really cool API key. All right. Gemini is much smarter than GPT 3.5, of course. I was trying to explain something for both. GPT couldn't understand. But I think GPT 4 is still like the smartest overall. Yo, thanks for the follows, guys. Who is it? Oh, I can't read your name. Samuel or something? Sorry, I missed it. I'm gonna make that bigger for next time. Yo, Dina, what's up? I'm working on this Chrome extension. Let me show you it now. Clicklist cage. It looks like this, and you just tell it to do something on the internet, and it should do it for you. So I'm gonna say, find a cat video on YouTube, and hopefully, there we go. It's gone to YouTube. It's thinking. Yeah, I've had it go through the things with tab. I don't think I've had the clicking work. Oh, it's clicked the search. So wherever the red box goes is where it clicks. That's really cool. So it's doing something. All right, so we've made it use ChatGPT on main. I'm just gonna commit that real quick. So we open up a thing here. Let's see, git diff. Okay, git add. Git commit. Oh, actually, we need to change the README as well now. README. Local. You need either be running a local model. 3. Change the Oh, we should probably make a template.env. Temp dot template use sk your key. Okay. Change the replace your OpenAI API key in .env.template and rename it to .env. Rename the file to okay. What about, oh, I need to git add, wait, oh, it didn't add, I think the git ignore doesn't see the .env, is that right? Huh? I don't know what happened. Where's the .env file I made? .env.template. That's not ignored, right? In my source control. Oh, it's staged. Okay, that's cool. Change to OpenAI by default. Okay. Push. Sweet. That's probably all the programming I'll do today. Maybe focus on an area that they list for showcase to showcase impact. What do you mean? Do you mean the areas with money prize? What about the big three with 300K prize? You could get forked over to OpenAI, Google's Gemini model. I could get you forked over to Open API. What's Open API? Should I not use Gateway? I was thinking Gateway is like a good way to have it be kind of like platform agnostic. What's Open API? I think this is a general like API spec though, right? But yeah, I'm open to suggestions. I'm not sold on Portkey. It's just Portkey has all of these cool features like the fallback, load balancing, automatic retries, and like being able to work with like all the different models just by changing like the headers. What are you guys saying? There's no way GPT-4 is smarter than Carly. But what if Carly was running on GPT-4? Would it be smarter? Anil says, I created an account in Twitch to follow you. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Anil. I appreciate you. Yo, Flashwebby, what's up? Weird they're not making APIs free for students. Yeah. Hey, who was that? Wender, GM King. Hope you look at the new cursor release. What's the new cursor release? Cursor is pretty hype. May 26th, that's 2 days ago. New cursor prediction UI, Gemini Flash. Oh, they've got Gemini in cursor. Damn. Sick. Hell yeah. And GPT-4o in interpreter mode. That's really cool. That's really cool. Okay. So I might rename this then. Instead of use gateway, we'll call it implement an LLM provider abstraction, so we can use Gemini, OpenAI, and Claude easily. Save. And then I like the features in this project. Open to alternatives. Okay. Is there any AI that can make a chat interface like Gemini with fully functional code? For you want to make your own chatbot? I think GPT OS or GPT Cole, is Brutal Strike in the chat? He made one. Actually, I might be able to show it to you because it's free. It's so sick. Go to gptcole.net. There's also an Android and iOS app for this. Go to Developer Devon. And then, do they have it here? No, it mustn't be Devon. Can't remember which one had it. Website Master? No. One of these had like a chat as their, wouldn't be game developer. I swear, oh maybe I'm hallucinating. I swear Brutal Strike said they made a chat one. Yo, Lokesh. You can also help in UI, awesome. Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, any UI help appreciated. No AI will make you a full product. Yeah. Oh, there's also lazy AI, they're pretty good. Can I give you a quick summary of what just happened? Yeah, so we summarized all the Discord messages around the Gemini competition. I kind of gave a summary of what Clicklist Cage is. This is the project I'll be working on. Chrome extension that automatically performs web browsing actions. And I said I wanted to implement something so we can use any LLM really easily just by swapping out some like headers, and Gateway by Portkey AI is a good solution that I know of, and it provides like automatic retries, load balancing, etc. And you can just use the OpenAI SDK, but I'm open to any other suggestions. This one's really good, it's open source for 5k stars, you can host it yourself, so if anyone has any other projects, that they suggest, let me know. Amine, hello. All right. I think that pretty much wraps it up for me. I think the stream was successful. I'm able to stream at 2K with this hotel Wi-Fi, which is really good. Really happy about that. And oh, did I miss a donation? Oh no, Wendell. Yeah, thank you so much, Wendell. Appreciate you. Okay. So yeah, I'll hang around for a little bit if anyone has any questions. Let's make some Suno music while we ooh, AI music conspiracies. This sounds cool. Load. I want it load. Come on. Come on. Oh, there. Sounds sick. Can you guys hear it?
They say Suno's got a trick up its sleeve, making songs that sometimes just to see. Today a hit, tomorrow it's gone. Depends on the lyrics and settings we're on. In the world of AI, we're still learning the way. Some say say. Luck and skill, they both play a part. Conspiracies, no, it's just AI. Back in years ago, I thought the same. Didn't understand the rules of the game. Now I see it's more than just code. A sprinkle of love on this creative road. In the world of AI, we're still learning the way. Some say there's a plot, but that's just hearsay. Luck and skill, they both play a part. Conspiracies, no, it's variable declaration and calculation. Let X equal 5. Let Y equal 10. Let sum X plus Y. Console what sum of X and Y. No condition. Let H equal 25.
Google, what's the best VS Code extension to create test cases? I don't know, probably one of them in my coding spreadsheet. Go to techfriend.net, click on the first link here, Coding AI Tools, and you will see the best VS Code coding extensions potentially. And maybe like, I didn't rate all of them, but GitHub Copilot, some people really like that one. Google released a new image model, Semantica. Really? The way I articulate makes you feel embarrassed to say I'm a dev? Oh, don't say that. You can be a great dev and just not know how to articulate. I'm probably the opposite, better at articulating and worse at dev. That's kind of my like whole skill set, is like explaining technical things kind of simply. Can I tell me what the concept is? Not sure what you're referring to on that one.
And Cohere for AI launches Aya 23, a powerful dataset. Semantica uses in-context learning. It's trained on pairs of images from the web, using one image to help generate another, assuming they share common traits. Now, Semantica is incredibly flexible. It uses pre-trained image encoders and content-based filtering to produce high-quality images without extra fine-tuning, making it perfect for various image sources. The model works by gradually refining an image from random noise, balancing efficiency and quality, which actually makes it ideal for content creation.
Is it? Well, we'll see when it's public, because I can't even find anything by Google on it. Prompt Kenyan Afro swing urban wave. You want Kenyan Afro swing? No, man. We do coding Suno songs here. I mean, we could do a coding one in Kenyan Afro swing. How many credits do I have? Probably enough. Alright, we'll do it. I'll do it, Marco, for you. Let me write some lyrics here. Gemini competition, developer competition. We're making stuff for Google for free. Gemini competition. Will they give me a car for free? Gemini competition, coding, web browsing, AI agents. Gemini competition. Wow. API rates are limited for me. Google, please let us win. Will the gods of AI grace us? The algorithm strong. Algorithm strong, and my code linter tastes us. I don't know, whatever. Enter title, Afro Gemini. Not much info on Semantica. I don't think it's public. Yeah, till it's public, we can't really speculate about it, because who knows? Even when Google publicly announces stuff, it's not fully legit. So you can imagine what it would be like.
Gemini developer competition. We're making stuff for Google for free. Gemini competition. Will they give me that for free? Gemini competition. Coding, web browsing, AI agents. Gemini competition. Coding, web browsing, AI agents. Gemini competition.
We develop a competition. We're making stuff for Google for free. Gemini competition. Will they give me a car for free?
Alright,
Gemini competition.
Thank you for
Coding, web
watching.
browsing, AI
See you tomorrow
agents.
where I'll
Gemini
do more code.
competition. API rates
And
are
I'll hope
limited
to
for
make
me.
more
Google,
issues
please let's win.
anytime.
With the gods of AI
Your time,
grace
your
us.
phone.
The algorithm strong and my code linter tastes us.
Oh, it's so short.
Jet friend is testing code in line. Jet friend is testing my best AI. Is it GitHub Copilot or Meta? Should you pay for cursor? Spend that. Should the assistant be in VS Code? Or should it live in the terminal and generate code? Jet friend is testing code in line. Jet friend is testing my best AI. Is it GitHub Copilot or Meta? Should you pay for cursor? Spend that.
Flashy, hurry up. You got 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Wait, are you on YouTube? You can't even post links on YouTube.
VS Code.
I'm gonna assume you're gonna post it in. Oh, shout out to everyone who did introductions in the chat, in the Discord. Oh, you also made games with Flash. Just like me.
Should the assistant be in VS Code? Or should it live in the terminal and generate code? Check friend is testing coding line. Check friend is
Yo,
testing
Victor
best
C,
AI.
we got a TikTok legend in the chat. What's up, man?
Should you pay for cursor?
Wait, did I miss? This song just started.
Should the assistant be in VS Code? Or should it live in the terminal?
Suno? Yeah, dude, Suno's for free. Check it out. Suno.com. You can make like the best songs for completely free.
Check friend is testing coding line.
Alright, that's the end of the
Check
stream.
friend is testing
Flashy
best
didn't make it
AI.
in
Is it
time.
GitHub Copilot or
Sorry. But yeah, I'll see you guys
Meta?
tomorrow if you're around.
Should you pay for cursor to spend that? Check friend is testing coding line. Check friend is testing the best AI. Is it GitHub Copilot or Meta? Should you pay for cursor to spend that?